Saan na naman tayo napadpad?
Sa Fergie's, sa Squamish. Drove all the way to Squamish just to try Fergie's. Actually, it's not my first time. It's your first time. I think you're gonna like it.
Ano bang nandito?
Mga healthy breakfast. Brunch, actually. Brunch.
Okay.
Mga healthy foods.
Okay.
Really yummy. Westernized breakfast food.
Okay, I trust you.
Ay, dapat lang. Hello? Welcome to Fergie's. Uy, ano ba?
Beb, akala ko ba kakain tayo?
Habang naghihintay tayo. Kasi 40 minutes pa yung table natin, right? Sir, dito muna tayo. Mag-chill muna tayo dito.
Okay. Ay, gagawin na siya. Boom! Natangay na siya. What the fuck? Sige! Rescue! Sige! Boom! Okay, good. May paano kung tinangay siya dun sa malayo? Tapos hindi nila naabutan. Basta ako, nanonood lang ako dito. Hindi ko kaya mag-rescue ng tao. Hindi ako marunong lumangoy eh.
Bigla na pasok.
Pag pumunta siya dun sa malayo, wala na.
Nanonood kami dito. Mga eksperimento nyong ganyan eh. Mga delikado mga gusto nyong gawin eh.
Ayun si Kuya nag-fishing.
Can I get the barbecue asada hash?
Yeah.
Can we get the soft poached eggs, medium poached?
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, sure.
And then one of the eggs al forno as well.
Ganun ako kanina. Hey guys.
Feeling mo. Because I really like that lamb chorizo with hummus and flatbread.
Yeah, I don't
That
think
one is so
we don't have that anymore.
No,
but
yeah.
that was pretty good.
I know. I drove for that.
Aw.
It's okay. Can we get a
Yeah, no worries. Yeah.
Picture for Instagram. Upload.
We all did good.
Sarap ng pagkain ni baby ah.
Yeah. Very healthy. Hi babes.
Hi baby.
Where are we going next?
Punta tayo ng Alice Lake. Drone shot. Naku, may mapapagod talaga dito. Sa baba. Oh. Tingin.
Nakakapagod, putang ina.
May mapapagod.
Drone shot.
Totoo ka sa pinagagawa mo.
Alam mo na yung tinawag gusto ko. Ito mo doble.
How many beats per minute?
Mga 10?
Mga 10. Hindi ka na buhay nun eh.
Divided by 4. May dugong. Napakarelaxing na pala.
Binubulabog mo yung mga nagre-relax dito eh. Sabi nila may siraulo dito oh.
Grabe to. Ganda ba? Hindi ba nagpipicture ng ganito sa Baguio?
Hindi, ba't ganyan?
Ganun nga yung picture ko.
Yung likod mo. Hindi, doon ka sa dyan. Senti. Ayan. Si Serious mode. Ay. Isang ganan na.
Ready?
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Ganun sa Baguio dati, gago. Are you guys open Monday to Sunday?
Yeah, we close the hamburgers is closed on a Tuesday and a Wednesday.
Hi guys! We're still waiting for our burger to come. Our second food trip of the day
Yes.
sa Outbound Burger. Along Sea to Sky Highway. Close to Fort Cove and Squamish Street. We're gonna rate it for you guys and we'll see if it's recommendable or not. If it's a flop or a yeah.
Hamburger.
Outbound Burger, 2 patties with bacon, lettuce, tomato, onion, and pickles.
Alright guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Porto Cove. Kung nagtataka kayo kung nasan yung kasama ko, hulaan nyo. Puro tulog, kaninong pa yan. Papahinga lang daw siya kasi hindi na kinaya ng beauty niya. Kaya hayaan natin siya ngayon. Parang ang ganda ng background ko, no? Tsaka parang ang pogi ko rin. Ngayon lang. Only for today's video. Tignan yung background ko. Gago, may mga sila yun, no? Kaso hindi namin maabot. Kakamustahin ko na yung kasama ko. Baka yung ginagawa niya ngayon.
So true. O hindi ka ata naghahalo-halo, mayaman ka na naman ata.
Ganda ng kotse ko. Joke lang. Psych. Psych.
Tingnan mo yung sunset, Yada, oh. Eh, hi ka daw kay Yada, oh.
Hi, Yada.
Feeling mo, nagpapakit
Nagpapakit yung ganun siya. Beautiful eyes.
Feeling mo, be. Papakit ka pa.
Nagdadrift-drift ka.
Okay, this is where we're gonna end the vlog, guys.
Date review.
Yeah, how did you like
It was
Fergie's Cafe?
It was good. Ang ganda ng place.
Oh yeah, what about the food?
Unique siya. So, ang sarap ng ng pulled pork.
I like the
egg.
tomato peppery with eggs.
Masarap din yung tinapay nila.
Recommend, guys, 10 out of 10. The place is really nice. Like the ambience is really aesthetic. and romantic and really, really cool, right?
Yes.
Very, very rare. What about the outbound burger? The burger was really sick and heavy and very, 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 very meaty to the juicy.
Nag-enjoy ka mag-drive?
Yeah. Sabi ko, skirts! Guys, go to Alice Lake. It's actually really pretty there. Overall, this day is just an amazing day and I really enjoyed it. You?
Whatever she said.
I copy-paste.
Copy-paste.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye-bye guys.
Magluluto na kami and nanonood ng movie.
Yeah.
Maybe. We'll see.